encounter between Moses and the magicians is found in the book of Exodus. The magicians of Egypt were skilled in performing supernatural feats using their knowledge of sorcery, illusion, and occult practices. They possessed certain abilities to imitate or replicate certain signs and wonders. When Moses and Aaron first approached Pharaoh to request the release of the Israelites, they performed miraculous signs as evidence of their divine mission. The magicians of Egypt, by their own mystical arts, sought to replicate some of these signs, such as turning their staffs into snakes. While the magicians were able to perform some feats similar to Moses' miracles, their power was ultimately limited. In the contest between Moses and the magicians, Moses' staff ultimately transformed into a serpent and devoured the serpents produced by the magicians. The magicians eventually recognized the superiority of God's power over their own. After several plagues, the magicians admitted that the plagues were the work of God and not something they could reproduce or counteract. As the plagues upon Egypt intensified, the magicians were unable to replicate or reverse the miraculous acts performed by Moses and Aaron. They eventually acknowledged that their magical arts were futile in the face of the true power of God. These truths reveal that while the magicians possessed some level of supernatural ability, their power was nothing compared to the power of God. Their attempts to challenge Moses and imitate the miraculous signs were eventually overpowered by the divine intervention that accompanied Moses' mission to liberate the Israelites from Egypt. This is the end of this episode. Follow for more.